see if we can find some fish today in the rain. We've got all kinds of logs in the water now. Tree branches all falling down. Let's see if this fly attract anybody right now. No way. Got him. Oh, he come off. Okay, we're in business in the rain, guys. I found a little fly I think that the bluegill might like. That had to have been a bluegill. Maybe we'll catch a sunfish or something different though. Kind of like the fly in the bubble. Got it. Oh, stay on. Did I lose him again? No! Dang it. I think we can put a fly over here where something would want to eat it. Yes. Yes. All right, guys. My new go-to favorite, at least for this challenge, the fly in the bubble. Thank you, Mr. Bluegill. Another bluegill. This one's not going to go for bait. He's going back safely in the rain, in the cold. Fish a day in May, day 6. We continue on. Tune in for more. All right, you guys, one of the best techniques to catch small fish, including trout, in Colorado is the fly in the bubble. This is the bubble. This is one that has a tie off on each end. I kind of like this. And then you tie your leader off here and you end up with your fly at the end. Today I'm using a little, I don't even know what this is called, little red guy. But this is just a killer way to get your fly out into the middle of a lake. If you're not confident with your fly rod, if you don't want to get your fly rod out, if you don't have room to cast, if it's windy, there's a lot of reasons to put a fly on a bubble.